Add cinematic birds or black birds in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, go to Project tab and right click any of the blank space, and here click on New Item and add Adjustment Layer. Now drag the adjustment layer and add it above all of your video clips, and you have to increase the adjustment layer length. And now select the adjustment layer and here select effects, search here crop, and add these crop effect into adjustment layer. Now here select effect control, and here we can see the crop effect. Here first of all, let's add a black bar at the top, so I'm just adding here top value 8, and now I'm adding bottom value 8. And now as you can see, a cinematic black birds has successfully added to my video.